So today we're going to be doing a high bald fade on my friend Angel here. So what I'm doing here is making the first guideline all the way across the head, trying to make it look identical on both sides. We're going for that high fade, so we're going to try to get that line nice and high. Alright, so now that I have my first guideline, I'm going to start with the second layer, which is a half clip, and I'm going about ½ inch around the entire head. Next, I have a one clip with the guard down, just blending it in on one side, moving my way to the other, and from one guard with the clip down, I move the guard up. And then I grab my 1.5 clip with the guard all the way up, giving it another layer all the way around. And then after I'm done with my 1.5 clip, I go back to my one clip with the guard down, and I'm just kind of blending in the one into the 1.5. Next, I'm gonna be erasing the bald line. With the clipper all the way up. And as I go, I bring the clipper down just a little bit, just to give that little blend. And I'll just repeat the same thing on the other side. The clipper guard all the way up, fade it all the way around, and then I'll kind of bring the guard down a little bit and just kind of give it that good blend. So now we're gonna cut the top. I think he wanted a 3.5 on top, and he wanted to keep the bangs, and then later on we're gonna trim down those bangs a little bit too. But, so yeah, we went 3.5 clip all the way around. Try to get rid of all those little loose hairs that kind of stick up after, and then we'll give it another hit after when we're almost done. He's telling me that he wants a line. He had a line there before, but he wants me to just go over it again, go over the same line that was there already. Alright, you can kind of see the line now a little bit better. Yeah, this is the first time I did a line like this. It's straight, but then it kind of curves at the end. It kind of goes up a little bit. It looks pretty cool. But yeah, I like to. And then I was doing the line, and so when I do the line, I kind of like to make sure I get both edges of the line nice and straight. So I'll do the line straight like that, and then I'll do it reverse like that on the other side, just making sure that I get those lines nice and straight. And as you can see at the line, how the hair kind of pops out right there. And I think I go over it with a 1.5 clip all the way up to the line, and then I kind of smooth out the top after. So now I'm just balding out the sides with the Andes T-liner, going all the way around. So now I'm going around with the wall shaver, just giving it that last little layer, making that last little layer of the fade just kind of pop out. It always looks better with that nice little shave. It always just gives it that pop, and it just always gives that nice little clean look. So right here, this is where I get the 1.5 clip, and I go all the way up to the line, just kind of getting rid of that little bulk that was right there, making it look nice and smooth. It's still kind of bulky past the line on the top part, but I kind of even it out a little bit later. All right, this is where I cut the top of his hair. But I messed up on the footage. I accidentally cut it out, but just wet it down, trim it up a little bit, and basically it. Alright, this is it. This is the final result. This is the haircut. If you guys like it, give me a thumbs up. This is actually my first video, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you guys can check out some more videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video.